ago, guys, I made this shirt just for me to wear, and I haven't actually worn it or at all. But I made this. I made this right when I made my YouTube channel, and this is actually one of the thumbnails I used for one of my videos with Buster. Um, so yeah. But yeah, I decided to make this. I do have another one that I made for myself that I never sold or anyone. But it was just the three boys. I do want to make another shirt with Remy as well in the future. Here's the other shirt, guys. It has somebody did art and then made it like this, and yeah, it's Buster, Buddy, and Angel. I definitely need to upgrade one, and I want to get my logo that I have right now with Angel, Remy, and Buster. But here, I'll go closer so you can see it. But yeah, I gotta get a different one for sure. Look at my three boys. Finally got my Gone to the Snow Dogs Christmas card. I love it. And we have Muddy outside. But look how cool that the snow stays on the table, which was funny. Aw, these guys are adorable laying together. Aw, guys, look at it. So they do like each other. Just sometimes they don't. Alright, we got more snow, guys. But it doesn't look like we got a lot as they were calling. I don't know if we're gonna get more or not. But look at that tree. But yeah, the dog's barking to go outside. But yeah, where's the so-called storm, eh? Where's the storm? Run! It's still kind of snowing. It's the 25th. Oh, look at the little paw prints. I love when the paw prints go. They're so cute. What are you guys doing? Look how beautiful the trees are. Oh. Especially with snow. Oh my goodness, Minnie's gonna chase her. How much snow does Remy have on her back? Oh, they're running. Nice. Go, Remy, go! How much snow you got? Oh, not much, right? Go, Remy, go, go, go! You know when it's snowing, the dogs are gonna run. Hello, Bella. Hello. Yes, so it's January 25th. And, yeah. We're not doing much, I don't think. I'll probably film more of the dogs maybe in the snow. Not the best good looking, but the hash brown broke. The egg and the sausage. And my tea, of course. I love, it says pets turn a house into a home, and I agree. Hey. How's it going? Hey. Hi. How's it going? Woo. Well, guys, we got a little bit more snow at the moment, so go on, these two. Go, puppies, go, go, go. Vinny, no. So, yeah, this is, what it looks like. It's snowing. Pretty good. Hi, Roo. Roo. Aww. There we go. Can you lay down? We're going to do some photo shoots with Remy. Sit. Good girl. Don't down. Wait. Oh, there we go. There's the beautiful girl. Yeah. This is how we get our dogs to sit and lay down. Use this hand single. Or you say the word down or sit. Good boy. Girl. I almost called you a boy. But yeah. Hello. So I have portrait mode as well. So I tried portrait mode on my phone. Here's a treat. We're going to go inside. It's very slushy. But, yeah. We'll do more photo shoots in the future. Okay, come on, let's go. Hi, Egypt. He's outside hanging out. Vinny just went in. It's a little easier with these two when I want to get pictures and stuff. Sometimes he doesn't stay still, but I'll get some random. And then I'll bring Vinny out when I want him. Right now, I just want to take some pictures of Remy. Photos of Egypt. 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 Vinny. Yeah. I want to get a picture. Vinny. Come here. Remy. Quiet. Vinny. Vinny. Good boy. Come here, Vinny. Come in and get a treat. Come here. That's a boy. Come here, buddy. Oh, good job. You gonna play with that? I don't know what's that. Is that a ball? Yeah, she's sitting outside, enjoying the weather. Silly puppy. I totally forgot to say hello in the vlog to you, Angel. Hello. It's later in the evening. So, hi. He's so cute. His hair is growing back, guys. I don't know if you noticed that, but it is. And he looks so much better and cute. He still looked cute with his haircut that he had a while ago. Hi, Remy. You're so cute. Yeah, so our storm actually just ended, and we didn't get much. The dogs enjoyed it. They did kind of run in it, which was nice to see. Hopefully we'll get more. I know we have February and March, so if we get a big snowstorm, hopefully we'll do some more snow videos. But yeah, it was still fun to see. Hug and love your pets. Don't stop believing. Self-brace for today has to offer and every day. Later.